Radhe Radhe! Radhe Radhe! So today, we are in Barshana. Remember, during Gora Purnima, I mentioned about the Bhav, the Mahabhav of Srimati Radharani, which she possessed alone. And that is also the reason why the desire of Krishna to understand the love of Srimati Radharani intensified on this place. Yes, we are on the very exact location. This is the exact location where Krishna witnessed the Bhav, this Mahabhav, which called Madanakya Mahabhav of Srimati Radharani. So this is the place where Srimati Radharani expressed or manifested this kind of Mahabhav, which she only, she alone possessed it. So this Mahabhav, this is the reason why Krishna became so confused. He was wondering, he was perplexed, he was bewildered by the emotions, by the love of Srimati Radharani towards her. And this place is called Prem Sarovar. So remember the story when Srimati Radharani was sitting on the lap of Krishna, then suddenly she experienced separation. Although they were together, she was face to face with Krishna. She was sitting on Krishna's lap. And that kind of Bhav or Mahabhav is called Madanakya Mahabhav. Or the love, or the feeling of separation while they are in union. So that is the highest, that is the highest kind, highest level of love or Bhav of Srimati Radharani. So when Krishna witnessed this manifestation of Mahabhav, the Madanakya Mahabhav from Srimati Radharani, Krishna desired to understand, Krishna desired to understand that kind of Bhav, that kind of love. And so, Krishna appeared as Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Jai Gauranga. So I have so many things to explain during the Gora Purnima class, but our time is so limited. But anyway, to give you an actual, to figure out what I was talking about this Prem Sarovar, so I brought you here in Prem Sarovar. So this lake, this water from this lake is a combination of tears of Radha and Krishna. So remember the story when Radharani, when she was sitting on the lap of Krishna, and there was a bee, a bumblebee that hovering around Srimati Radharani's lotus face. So Krishna requested his friend Madhu Mangal to chase away this bumblebee. And so when Madhu Mangal chased it away, Madhu Mangal shouted, "Madhu has gone, Madhu has gone." So Radharani, she was thinking that it was Krishna who was gone, because his name is also Madhu, Madhusudan, the killer of the demon Madhu. So Radharani started crying and crying, She cried profusely. Torrents of rain, of tears came out from her eyes. So when Krishna saw Radharani is crying, and Radharani was looking for him, although she was just right in front of her, and she was sitting on Krishna's lap. That's why Krishna also felt compassion and empathy. So Krishna started crying too. Huh? So both Radha and Krishna, they cried and cried and cried until their tears formed this lake. That's why it is called Prem Sarovar, the lake of pure love of Srimati Radharani with each other, with Srimati Radharani and Krishna, their love for each other. So this lake is so special. This is the lake of pure love. Huh? So this lake comes from the tears of Radha and Krishna. Huh? This is Prem Sarovar. So on this spot, this is where Krishna desired to understand the love of Srimati Radharani. This is where that desire intensified. That's why he appeared as a Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Wow.